This 2026 Entegra Coach Expanse 21T is a Class B RV. It is located in Springfield, Missouri, 65802 and is offered for sale by Reliable RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features a crown point interior, sleeps 2, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2026 Entegra Coach Expanse 21T is built on a Ford Transit AWD 350 HD chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.